Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's Cozy, and be ready because we got a special review tonight. Today we're gonna be reviewing the Travis Scott Cactus Jack Sp5der Hoodie. Now before we review this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss out on any of my drops. I ended up receiving this a long time ago, probably months ago. I mean, it came out on August 23rd. Came out in brown. As you see, it got the Atlanta in the background, rodeo in the front, and red with the spider web right in back of all of that. Paid $200 for it. Fall, winter 24 season. Let's open this up. I did get it in a large, I believe. I got it in a large. The quality just seemed, it was like heavy cotton. The font, the material just feels great. You have the Atlanta in the back. You got the rodeo in reddish. You also got some stars, and it stretches out to the arms, to the sleeves. And yeah, for now, it looks like if you buy it now for a small, you're paying $292, medium $290, large $281, XL $225, XXL $226. For small, medium, and large, you're gonna pay around $290 plus the fees and everything. So the back is just plain. Got the sleeve with the stars. Both sleeves have stars in them, so this is definitely a great addition to my hoodie collection. We also have Indigo, which is going for probably a lot cheaper, not a lot, but medium $254, large $253, XL $230, double XL $246. You can always make an offer and try to top offer for now and go is $230. Again, I got this in a large. Definitely adding this to my closet. And then I also will be reviewing the Sp5der Hoodie, which will be next after this video. But yeah, enough talking. Let's try this out. I'm glad I got a large. If you want to buy it through Go or StockX, just make sure it's legit, from a legit spot, and you'll be paying around $250 to $290 before the fees, so keep that in mind. Again, awesome hoodie, and I'm staying with this. Super comfortable, 100% cotton. You can feel how heavy this hoodie is. That wraps up our item review for the Cactus Jack, Travis Scott, and Sp5der. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more merch reviews, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.